Vanessa Martinez is a post production engineer that specializes in sound design and film composition. Vanessa acquired her Associates of Arts degree in Fine Arts at Riverside City College. She has since attended the Art Institute of Southern California in Empire, where she graduated with her Bachelor of Science degree in Audio Engineering and has started her own business as co owner of JV Production in the post production for film industries.
Johnny Gordon is a post production engineer, founder, and co owner of JV Productions. From the age of 9, Johnny was exposed to music, learning the techniques of DJing by listening to DJs mixing on the radio. It didn't take much for him to realize that he enjoyed the technical aspects of audio as much as playing it himself. He acquired his Bachelor of Arts degree at the Art Institute of California Inland Empire, where he studied under some of the best industry professionals.
advised. All units respond code 3.
I will count backwards from 10. And when I reach 1, you will no longer remember Wesley. I will snap my fingers twice, and you will have no recollection of your illumination. 10.
I love you.
9.
Happy birthday.
8.
Seriously.
7.
Happy New Year.
6. 5. 4. 3.
Good.
2. 1.
God, it's so pretty.
Hey, yo, Chase, this is OD. Hey, I know tonight was supposed to be your last performance, but look, I'm telling you, this club over here in Miami is putting on a huge promotional event with a lot of big names, big labels. You really need to be there. Check this out. I've been hearing your name in a lot of conversations out here, man. You can even get a record deal out of this. I know you've been on the road for a while, and I know you want to go home, but I know you can go home after this show. Let me know by tonight. I gotta be on